Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're going to be looking at foreign exchange. So this first question is asking us to convert $50 into rupees. And up here we can see that it's a US dollar. So what we're going to do with this question is think about it in terms of ratios. So for every $1 US, right, which is what we've got here, I get 71.89 Indian rupee. So if I'm looking at how many rupee is 50 US dollars, well, I'm going to have to do the same scaling to the right-hand side as I've done to the left-hand side. So to go from 1 to 50, I multiply by 50. So I have to do the same on this side here. So 71.89 times 50, 3,594.5. But because this is money, we want to give the answer to 2 decimal places. 3,594 rupee 0.50. Okay, this next question here can be quite the information overload. But anytime you go to an airport, you're going to see a lot of different currencies and different exchange rates. So what we're going to need to do is figure out which ones are relevant. So let's read through this question first. At the airport in LA, after her holiday, Yoko finds 2 $100. So immediately, I don't know what this means. So I'm going to search through the exchange rates to see what it could be. Immediately, what jumps out is this South African rand. But as we can see, we're looking for $. So it's not going to be rand. We've got to find something else, which is the Brazilian real. And the Brazilian real, 4.39. But 4.39 what? And also, interesting in the question, it says 2 $100 notes. So let's keep going. She goes to open the only open money exchange stand and sees the following exchange rates for the US dollar. How much in NZ dollars? Okay, so this is the other part of the question. NZ dollars is up here, 1.58. Will she get for her 200 Brazilian real? Okay, so what this says to me is that we have to do 2 exchanges. The first, from the money she currently has, the real, into US dollars. And the second, from US dollars into New Zealand dollars. So let's start off. So she currently has 200. And we know, and we're wondering how many dollars. Well, we know that 1 US dollar is worth 4.39 rand, or real. So, what am I going to do? Well, what is the scaling from here to here? Right, because that's what I'm going to have to do for this as well. So what do I multiply 4.39 by to get to 200? Well, I go, let's do it over here. 200 divided by 4.39. We're going to do the opposite to find it. So 200 gives me, so the scale is multiply by 45.5, I'm going to round up, 6. So if I do that to the left-hand side, I have to do it to the right-hand side. So 1 times 45.56 is going to be 45.56. So this is how many dollars she has. So we're going to hold on to this. So if she's got 45.56 American dollars, how many New Zealand dollars does that buy her? Well, we know that we're going to keep the US dollars on the right-hand side here. 1 US dollar is worth 1.58 New Zealand dollars. And I know that I've got 45.56, so I scale this side by 45.56, and I do the same to the other side, 45.56. So because I've rounded, I'm gonna use that rounded figure. 1.58 times 45.56, which gives me $71.98 for 45.56 US. Right, so this gives me my answer. For 200 real, she will get $71.98 New Zealand cents.